When it comes to scoring the game-winning goal or outsmarting your opponent, every millisecond counts. And a lag and slow connection can ruin your game. Is your Xbox One lagging or not connecting to Wi-Fi? There are many reasons your Xbox could be slow, ranging from network problems to software and hardware issues. Here's how to fix it. Start by power cycling your hardware to refresh your console and the Wi-Fi. Unplug each device. In my case, it's the Xbox and my combined modem and router. Now that there's no power running to the modem, go ahead and disconnect the coax cable. Wait 30 seconds before plugging them back in. If you're connecting wirelessly, reduce the distance between your Xbox and your router, and make sure there's a clear path between the two. Once you reconnect to your desired Wi-Fi, it's time to test your network connection. Go to Profile and System, Settings, and under General, select Network Settings. Then navigate to Test Network Connection. If you have a solid connection, you'll see a message that says it's all good. Otherwise, you can go one step further and select Network Speed and Statistics. Here your Xbox will test your connection and provide you with details including download speed, upload speed, packet loss, and latency. These tests will pinpoint any issues, so you can easily identify and resolve the problem. And if your Xbox isn't connecting wirelessly, confirm you're connected to the right network and have the correct password. You could also check other devices connected to the same network. If other devices are working properly on the same connection that your Xbox is on, there may be an issue with your Xbox Wi-Fi receiver. If you want to get the fastest speeds out of your network, I suggest hardwiring your console to your router. If your Xbox is not connecting and you're hardwired, try plugging your Ethernet to a different port, replacing the Ethernet cable, or updating your router's firmware. If it's not a connection issue, but you're still experiencing lag, try clearing your cache and freeing up space on your hard drive. Also, your Xbox can slow down if you have too many apps open in the background. Still having problems? It may be time to reach out for reinforcements. For professional help fixing your tech, visit Asurion.com. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips.